kung nagpapalpitate ka, it may be something else. Itchiness all over the skin, it connotes dryness eh.
Possible ba na at age 36 mag-start na yung perimenopause?
Well, it is unusual kasi if you look at statistics, ano yung pinaka-common range of perimenopausal sa mga babae? It's between 45 to 51. So kung 36 years old and you are not surgically menopause, so meaning na operahan, okay, at tinanggal ng matres, ovaryo, then hindi common na 36 nagme-menopause. Okay, so kung nagpapalpitate ka, it may be something else. That's why it's important that you have to seek consult to a doctor.
Meron ding nagtanong, Doc, na isa sa mga napansin niya is nagkakaroon siya ng dry or itchy skin. Sa knowledge niyo po ba is symptom din siya ng perimenopause?
Yes, no? Yung itchiness all over the skin, it connotes dryness eh. But it's not as common as palpitation, yung parang nag-iinit, sweating sa mga menopause or perimenopause. Kaya yung itchiness, yes, it can be seen but not as common as the others.